Guys, in the Sire community, we have just discovered the absolute best platform where we can make money efficiently and effectively in the Forex market. Today, we're going to be discussing smart charts because everyone in the Sire community is buzzing about this. And you guys know our main goal is to find the best ways to make money in the Forex market. And this is the absolute best and cheapest risk-free way to make thousands of dollars per day in the Forex market. So without further ado, let's just jump into the video. I'm not a financial advisor, but these platforms are fantastic. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So here we are inside Smart Charts, and as you can see, we just have signals coming through all the time from these guys. Okay, this is obviously if you pay $89, but I'm going to explain how you can basically make that a completely risk-free investment where if you don't make any money, you get that money back. So this is probably one of the best Forex opportunities that you've ever had, and it's backed up by a platform that is just using AI to give you all of the winning scenarios. This is the easiest, laziest way to make money, but if you are interested in learning as well, I mean, Smart Charts do it all. They have a learn section where they literally have courses to teach you how to make money in the Forex markets, learn the basics, right? Learn the advanced stuff, learn about psychology here. These guys offer everything. But what is the opportunity here and how can we make money doing it? First of all, in the Sire community, guys, we actually offer free signals every single day. What that means is you can basically join the Telegram in the description and you're going to get free Forex signals with no cost, okay? Absolutely free. But if you do want a $5,000 simulated trading account in which if you profit on it, you will actually keep the profit, then definitely stick around for this because it's $89 per month. But if you don't like it or if you don't make money, Smart Charts are actually offering a 30-day money back guarantee. This just goes to show how confident they are in their site and in their signals. This is something that I've never seen before in the Forex markets, and it's something that, yes, it's a very, very reliable thing because this platform is so in depth that yes, these things just work. You can see my balance here in the top right. We've got 51K just from this, doing it every single day with the tens of signals that do come through every single day using the AI they provide. So what they've done here is actually taken all their trading experience over the decades. They've trained an AI and now the AI is just doing it all for them. So now they've released this to the public where you can get involved, and the offer is it's completely risk-free, right? So $89, you're going to get a 5K account. It's risk-free because if you don't make money, you get that money back, and you can do it on your phone, do it on your laptop, and you get ideas as well, personally from professional traders. So this is really how you become a trading pro. And if you're worried about charts and you like to do your own TA, these guys offer that as well. They have a fantastic system here where one, you can actually just see all of the signals on the charts if you want. Okay, we can click on this one. It's going to show us all of the setups, all of the trades that we're doing in real time. Okay, or you can just do it yourself by using their draw tools. If you want to draw in a trend line, you can do so very, very easily here. Bang, trend line, draw that on the chart, wait for that to break, make your own trading strategies as you would do normally. But if you are a little bit more of a hands-off trader, maybe you've got a job, maybe you're looking to earn some money on the side, build that money up to success, of course, then yes, these guys obviously have their incredible AIs with really, really high win rates, I will say, on basically any Forex asset out there. So this is why I'm recommending personally that you guys check out Smart Charts, and this is all thanks to the Sire community. So big up to those guys. I'm so happy to be a part of that. And yes, you are going to get those free signals as well. If you don't want to take the leap here, that's fine. Join the Sire community in the Telegram, completely free to join. You're going to get signals every single day. But I will just say, guys, from a trader to another trader, guys, this is the best opportunity ever. And one of the reasons for this is there's no drawdown limits on the account, right? So if you've done prop trading before, you're probably used to a 5%, 10% drawdown limit, where if you lose your money. In this case, one, you can't lose your money because there's a 30-day money back guarantee if you don't profit. And two, it's a 5K trading account with no drawdown limit in the system. So you are literally covered from every angle here. Okay, if you want to get involved, if you want to try Smart Charts, definitely recommend doing it in the description. That's going to be it for this video. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one. Drop a like on it and I'll see you very, very soon.